So the key going forward, when you think about the new technologies, especially AI loads, they fluctuate a lot. So the loads are much
Yes.
more dynamic. So that means you need new power gen solutions that can adapt to this and react quickly enough to be able to respond to those.
To be flexible.
Yeah, but
Mhm.
exactly. Flexible is the right word.
All
So
right.
then when you combine the generator set with the latest technology of BAS, they support one another. You can then optimize your generator to run at the optimal load and then rely on BAS to handle the peaks. So when you combine those two things, the the amount of power that's needed to run those sites, we're dealing with an unprecedented demand as a result of data center growth.
Continuamos aquí en el evento de Power Gen Summit 2026 aquí en Miami y tengo el placer de estar con Lucio Kroll, que es el Senior Director de New Energy Solutions. Y si hay algo importante que se tiene que conocer es cómo la energía se está transformando. Thank you for your time, Lucio.
Thank you.
What we have seen lately is that energy is a technology that was born more than a century ago, right?
Yes.
And we're trying to make it work with AI, which is a brand new technology. How do you think these new technologies, or the old one, I mean, energy, and the new one, AI, are gonna help us to design the future of new trends? You know?
Yeah. So the key going forward, when you think about the new technologies, especially AI loads, they fluctuate a lot. So the loads are much
Yes.
more dynamic. So they have large and frequent fluctuations on the load. So that means you need new power gen solutions that can adapt to this and react quickly enough to be able to respond to those.
To be flexible.
Yeah, but exactly. Flexible is the right word. Uh, so that's one area where battery energy storage systems adds tremendous value, because you might combine the traditional solution, which is a generator set,
Correct.
but the generator set, it it might not it won't react quickly enough to those variations in the AI loads.
Doesn't adapt
So,
as you need
yeah,
it.
it cannot respond that quickly.
All right.
So then when you combine the generator set with the latest technology of BAS, they support one another. You can then optimize your generator to run at the optimal load and then rely on BAS to handle the peaks. So that so you are combining a traditional proven technology, which is gensets, with the new technology of BAS, and them together, they offer you a much more flexible and a solution that runs more efficiently and can accommodate those variations in loads.
Yeah. Why do you think this is happening now in with the new trends of technology? The AI is doing this all this stress to the network, to the power grid.
Not only AI, but AI actually is a major contributor. But in our modern lives, we're using data, and the number of data being used in all type of systems, from GPS, from people doing searches on the internet. So
Search.
the amount of data that we are dealing with today is exponentially higher than what we used to do in the past. So in the opposite, that drives a tremendous growth for data centers, for cloud computing. On the top of that, you have AI, which is a new technology. So that what's something that's already growing exponentially now is growing even faster. So it's a
That's true.
combination of the amount of data that we are exposed in our regular lives nowadays, and then with the new technology, which is AI, right? So, and it's interesting because data centers, they are investing on AI training capabilities to improve their own AI models, and then eventually they deploy to the society, right? So when you combine those two things, the the amount of power that's needed to run those sites, we're dealing with an unprecedented demand as a result of data center growth.
What I've heard lately, Lucio, is that the trending topics sometimes people trying to follow or creating images that are trending topics.
Uh-huh.
People ask AI at the same time all over the world, so that stress the data centers
Yeah.
because everybody at the same time asking for the same image
Yeah.
or types
Yeah.
of images,
Yeah.
create image. How the new technologies will emerge, and what kind of solutions do you think will help to the data centers or AI factories to have better
Yeah.
stability
So
in
from
the network?
think about it. The data centers, they are continue to develop more powerful processors to analyze all this data, and that consumes more power. So
Correct.
the amount of power that today those data center processors are using, it's tenfold, sometimes even more than what they used to
Used
have,
to be.
what used to be. So, so not only more data is required, but fast, because there's a lot of people rely on this information. Uh, so that kind of back to generating this unprecedented amount of power that's needed nowadays. So causing delays to accommodating the power needs that are required for AI loads.
Awesome. Well, this is the point of view of Lucio Knoll. Thank you for your time. Thank you for explaining what is the trend and the future of energy for
Yes, yeah.
AI.
Thank you,
And
Jorge.
we are here at the Power Gen Summit 2026. Gracias.
Yes.
Seguimos aquí en el evento para conocer más sobre lo que se está haciendo.